Could your dementia risk be determined by your lifestyle and have absolutely nothing to do with your genetics? When researchers looked at over 196,000 people aged 60 years and over who had no history of dementia, whether your genetics lined you up for dementia or not, having a healthier lifestyle meant you were always better off. Even though genetics play a role in dementia, you may be able to offset this somewhat with a healthier lifestyle, similar to home loan interest in an offset account. No one really has a clue to what degree you can offset genetics for dementia, but having a healthier lifestyle is always better than having an unhealthier lifestyle. Conversely, if you're someone who really likes a risky gamble, go drink heavy, smoke a lot, eat junk food and just stop exercising. High risk and poor lifestyle combined means you are 2.8 times more likely to develop dementia. So let's stop blaming our genetics for everything and become leaders in making healthier choices. Motivate one another by commenting on something you're going to change starting today. For me, it's probably chocolate. Full article link in the description. You've just been scienced.